In this video, I'll show you how to add Alpha Network to Trust Wallet so you can see your Alpha coins inside the app. First, open Trust Wallet on your phone and make sure you're using a multi-coin wallet. On the main screen, tap the token filter /2 sliders icon in the top right to open the Manage Tokens page and scroll down to check that the main network you need, for example BNB Smart Chain, is turned on. Next, you'll need the official Alpha Network contract address. Open the Alpha Network app or their official website and copy the contract address they provide for external wallets. Never use random addresses from comments or unofficial groups. Now go back to Trust Wallet. On the Manage Tokens page, scroll to the bottom and tap Add Custom Token. Tap Network and choose the correct network for Alpha. Many mobile mining projects use BNB Smart Chain, but always follow the official Alpha instructions. Paste the contract address you copied. Trust Wallet should automatically fill in the name, symbol, and decimals. If not, enter them exactly as Alpha provides. Tap Save, return to your wallet home screen, and you'll see Alpha listed. When you transfer your Alpha coins to this address, the balance will appear under that token. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.